Welcome to the Metals Investment Forum backstage interview. We're happy with ATLY CEO Ralph here. Welcome, Ralph.
Thank you, Chen. Good to be back.
Yeah, last time I visited your project was quite a few months ago. At that time, you were about to commission your brand new mine. Tell us what's going on. I heard some good stuff coming up.
Yes, thank you. It was great to have you on the projects back then. We have commissioned the first ball mill at Tabaweto. So it's come on stream about 3 weeks ago, and it's a commissioning phase. So we call it pre-production and commissioning. And we're working out little leaks here, like our water line from the river. We're pushing water up about 800 meters vertical lift, 2 kilometers in distance, and all that steel pipe was welded together. So you get the odd leak here or there, which you have to fix up, and just little things like that. But we've been producing some concentrate. We're not at steady state yet, but hopefully in the next week or two, we'll be at a steady state production at the 500 tons per day. Then the next phase is get the second ball mill online over the next quarter, and hopefully by early Q4, sometime in Q4, ramp the mine up to 1,000 tons per day production.
Wow. Or Q4, that's very fast.
Yeah.
Consider we was there like a few months ago. Then 1 year later, we'll come back and we'll hold.
When you were there, we had quite a bit of the mine already built, but we weren't quite finished. So it's coming together.
Yeah. I talked to actually the company called your Royalty Empress. They were very impressed with what you have done. They're very excited. They're very happy. They start finally they're going to get some check from you guys.
Yeah, we actually shipped our first concentrate out just late last week. So and it was the very first concentrate. So we're not expecting big things out of it, but at least it started. So we're hoping to continue that on, and that gives some revenue to Empress. So.
Right. Well, tiny little bit, but it's good. Is like they are very positive of what you have done so far in Guanajuato, and and then you will for your company that should be a turning point. Right? You start generating cash from both mines later this year.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we expect to be cash flow positive at Tabaweto within 3 months of getting it stabilized. So that could be in the next quarter if everything goes well. And at Campo Morado, we had a good year last year. We made 36 million Canadian in operating profit. Used some of that mine to help fund the construction costs at Tabaweto. So we expect Tabaweto, once it's on full stream, 1,000 tons per day, to potentially double that revenue. It's half the size, but it's very high grade, robust, and low cost.
Low cost gold and silver.
Exactly,
yeah. Well, excellent. So you will be looking ahead. You will have a huge cash flow coming in next year. Is that correct?
It'll be a very healthy cash flow. I'm not sure if I want to term it huge, but
well, compare with the current market size.
Yeah, no, exactly. I mean, we did gross revenue last year just under 100 million Canadian. So if we double that, then we should be up to the 200 million. And that will come after the first year of full production at Tabaweto. Okay. So at the end of 2023, we should be able to record those numbers.
Record that and double your operating cash flow.
And maybe better than that, we've been working on the metallurgy at Campo Morado. We have a pathway to increase. It looks like we've got a very good pathway to increase our base metal recoveries, particularly in lead. So the pneumatic flotation is showing us some very good ways, or very good potential success. Yeah. So we've got to take that through the last phase, and then we've also been able to make a precious metal-rich pyrite concentrate out of the existing historic tailings, but as well as the fresh tailings. So we've done both, and it looks like we're going to have material that we can go to forced oxidation and leaching to increase our precious metal recoveries.
Excellent. So you have a lot of improvement in Campo Morado, right? So you have more lead. You have copper concentrate. You're selling copper concentrate.
Yeah, we just started that as well. Yeah.
And then you have better recovery in gold and silver.
Yeah, we hope to get there. I mean, I can't promise it, but it's certainly looking like we're getting the pathway forward to get there.
So you're looking for triple your cash flow? That's a forward-looking statement.
Yeah, obviously, with any luck, it would be excellent to do that. Sure. Yeah. And another thing to say is that both our projects have excellent exploration potential, and I suspect that once we get drilling on Tabaweto, that we could quickly, within 4 to 6 months, bring in enough new reserves, new resources to justify an immediate expansion again, and maybe take that mine to 2,000 tons per day in 2 years' time. So that's kind of what we want to do. I mean, we want to get the mine in production, have it making enough money to be sustaining and giving us some free cash flow, and then start up some drilling, and I think we can get there very quickly.
Wow, excellent. Excellent. That'll be very exciting. So hopefully this time next year, when I see you at Metal Investment Forum, you will have a lot more to tell our viewers and a lot of more excitement.
I think we will. We're pushing hard, and if we reach our goals, we'll definitely be able to do that.
All right, great. Thank you. We'll wait for your good news.
Okay, Jen, thank you very much. Thanks.